Good morning, dear students. In continuation with the transformation of sentences that we are going through, today we are going to look at how simple sentences are converted into compound sentences. How simple sentences converted into compound sentences. Now, as we begin to do this work, let us keep once again in our mind or reflect what is a simple sentence. A sentence with a one finite verb or one clause is what is a simple sentence, and a compound sentence is a sentence with two coordinate clauses. Coordinate clause means what? A clause that can stand by itself. Okay, it is an independent clause, a clause which does not need support of any other words or phrases from the sentence to give its meaning, almost equal to a sentence. If you put a full stop, it becomes a sentence. Okay, so that is what is a coordinate clause. So we need two coordinate clauses or two independent clauses connecting with a coordinating conjunction. Okay, what are coordinating conjunctions? You would have studied. I had told you to learn it when I taught you that. Okay, cumulative conjunction and that expresses contrast. Okay, all that inference, the four types of conjunctions that we have studied, the coordinating conjunction. So let's look at how from a simple, okay, before that, the structural changes that explain, that is what you should keep in mind always before you start transformation. Here what is given? Simple sentence given, you have to change into a compound sentence. Simple sentence got only one clause, compound sentence has got two coordinate clauses. So you have to make an extra clause and join with a coordinating conjunction. This is what you should keep in mind, and let's see what is explained in our textbook. Simple sentences can be converted into compound sentence by expanding words or phrases into coordinate clauses. So either you have to take one word or one phrase that is given in the simple sentence and expand it to make a coordinate clause. We should remember that the coordinate clauses are introduced by conjunctions of the type and, but, or, therefore. Okay, the four types that we studied. Fine. Now let's see how, by using cumulative conjunctions like and, not only, but also, etc., we can make a compound sentence. Okay, look at this sentence, that is, ignoring all the people present here. Ignoring all the, this is a phrase, there is no finite verb. The principal invited me to express my opinion. The principal asked me to come and give my opinion. So this is a simple sentence because invited is only finite verb. This is a phrase. So we have to change this into a compound sentence. And the principal ignored all the people. Ignoring, the participle, present participle is changed into a finite verb. The principal ignored all the people present there. This much is the clause made from this phrase. Okay, the principal ignored all the people present there. This is a coordinate clause, and then you have to add a conjunction and. Invited me. Actually, he invited me to express my opinion is what it should be there, since there is subject of both the clauses are principally the same. We have not used it here. So he invited me to express my opinion. The principal ignored all the people present there. He did not bother about them at all, and invited me to express my opinion. Okay, so that's how a compound sentence is made from a complex sentence. One more example. In addition to an office assistant, we need a superintendent also. We need not only an office assistant but a superintendent also. Not only but also. In addition to an office assistant is changed into, we need not only an office assistant. Next, besides keeping a watch on his movements, the CBI trapped his phones also. Besides keeping a watch on his movements, the CBI tapped his phones also. So the CBI not only kept a watch on his movements but tapped his phones also. So not only but also. Besides keeping a watch on his movements, the phrase is changed into, the CBI not only kept a watch on his movements, the new clause that is made. Now using adversity conjunctions but still yet. He had all the credentials for the job except experience. He was qualified for the job except his experience. He had all the credentials for the job but he had no experience. Several sterling qualities of character notwithstanding, Manya is often let down by her impatience. Manya has several sterling qualities of character. Still, she is often let down by her impatience. Okay, so several sterling qualities of character notwithstanding is changed into, Manya has several sterling qualities of character, yet still she is let down by her impatience, because when she loses patience, okay, it spoils the situation very badly. Because of her, she is not very well accepted. Next, in spite of being seriously handicapped, Stephen Hawking is one of the most eminent modern scientists. You know, man who died last year or year before last, who was on the wheelchair, the famous scientist. Stephen Hawking is seriously handicapped, yet he is one of the most eminent modern scientists. Stephen Hawking is seriously handicapped, but yet he is one of the most prominent non-modern scientists. Now, by using alternative conjunctions like here or otherwise else, you must take complete bed rest to avoid a relapse of your fever. You must take complete bed rest or your fever may relapse, come back. Okay, you have to take complete rest. Okay, some viral fever, just taking medicine alone is not enough, otherwise it might come back. So you must take complete bed rest, or if not, your fever may relapse. One such mistake more, you will be dismissed. If you make one more mistake like this, then you will be dismissed from here. Don't make one more such mistake. Don't make one more such mistake, else, if not, you will be dismissed. Next, but for this burglar alarm, we would have lost all our valuables today. If not because of this alarm that we had, burglar alarm, that is when they break into houses, the alarm rings or alerts. As a result, people get up and save themselves. So that was the cause how we saved our things. This burglar alarm was there, otherwise we would have lost all our valuables today. So this burglar alarm was there, otherwise if not, we would have lost our valuables. Now by using the fourth one, illative conjunctions like here, so, therefore, etc. She got 3 quick promotions by virtue of her excellent communication skills. One after the other, 3 promotions very quickly she got. Why? She was good in communication, or communicative skills were very good. So by virtue of her excellent communication skills is changed into, she had excellent communication skills. That's a new clause made. So she got 3 quick promotions. As a result, she got 3 quick promotions. Next, production being held up on account of a system failure, we had to decline several orders. Because of some system failure, because of some problems in the system of production, some failure, we had to decline many orders, means we could not produce enough so that we can give it to according to the demand of the customers or the people who are in need. Now production was held up on account of a system failure, therefore we had to decline several orders. So production was held up on account of system failure, therefore we had to decline on several orders. Okay, that's all for today. The rest we'll see in the next class. Thank you.